So we're back down at the track, which is nice. Got here nice and early. We have bumped into Fausto, which is great because he has the connections for a door for Jesse's car. So he's onto that, so that should be good. I'm pulling off the center console so we can mount the hydro in and avoid that sort of situation. But the main reason I bought the hydro is for tow-gate calls, which I will definitely need because you have to trim the car up a certain way. Obviously, this being automatic, you need to do stuff. So, yeah, we're going to mount the hydro in and get ourselves ready. We're just drifting the half day, so we're going to go down to Nishi is the plan and do some skids, maybe tow-gate. See what happens. Let's do it. That just made it. That literally just made it. He just wants me to touch up the alignment. Might need a little bit more. This is Chris's beta, as you can tell.
What's wrong with it?
Race car.
I wonder if you need skirt.
We got to raise the front and put some bolt-on spacers and some camber and she'll be on. Thing will drift good. So
You might need one more zip tie for the integral.
couple more. Yeah, we'll get that. We'll get that sorted.
Oh, there's one bolt at the bottom. Sorry.
Yeah.
Got a bolt.
He's good. Should be right. Anyway, we're going to go out. We're going to put a little bit of air in that rear tyre. I'm going to try out these tyres. We're going to do some laps now. We haven't fitted everything, but we're kind of sectioned off half a day to fit as many parts and then go do some driving, and that's what we're doing. So we're going to have a little laps on Nishi. I've absolutely done it again. Never out of fuel. You'd think I'd learn. Like, I knew I was low on fuel, but I honestly thought there's just enough, and we did forget to put fuel in the jerry can last night. Excuse me. So, damn it. Anyway, I went to get fuel like off Higashi, Nishi, and I was like, there's a fuel station here, it's okay, and then they're already closed, and I'm like, damn it, and now there's a fuel station across the road. We're completely out of fuel, so we need the jerry can. Yep, there, right. Alright, so day, what are we, 2?
Yes.
Technically day 2 drifting. It's worked out pretty well. I got the handbrake to put in the morning, so that's going to be great. Worked out already a bunch of problems with Chris's Cephiro. The coilover is snapped, so that's one issue. The bolt for the ball joint's leaving the chat. The Laurel, I think, is almost ready. Brando only got it up here at lunchtime. And then I'm going to put my Enkeys that I bought on the last trip for the back. I'm going to put them on the front, and I'm going to run the 235 on the front because the 215s are getting quite a decent workout, and they're obviously harder to get. So we're going to make that change, see how it feels, and probably get a couple more tyres I think we might need. And I'm still on the tyres from the last event, so finishing them off. So we're going to get out. Oh, and then some of the footage you might get, we had some crusty Nankang tyres from Jesse, which were really slippery. So it was much easier to drive, but far out. They didn't last. So yeah, I know. On to the next day, but oh yeah, Nick's car's almost ready, so we're gonna get moving. Hey, welcome to day 3, guys. So did you know that there's actually water in Pepsi? And no, that'll be on camera, bud. Brand over there reckons I don't drink enough water, and there's water in Pepsi. So now we're on day 3. I'm putting a wheel on and I'm going to wash my car and do some tyres. But Chris's car has developed a leak overnight and the water pump's leaking, so there's an extra thing to do for that. So not that will not stop us getting on track, because they don't want to see the car on the track, but we're still trying to find some coilovers. Coop's fitted one headlight. Don't ask what it's off, but we believe it's a Toyota something. I believe it's Toyota something. I bought it from Up Garage for 20 bucks. So then we've got the Prado tail lights to go on. Man just needs some light, so let's go. Day 3, we're gonna give the car a little wash. I'm putting the rest of the front wheels on, and some tyres, and we're gonna just put the handbrake in. Maybe just put the handbrake in.
Shakedown. We have a lot of blow by, which means too much boost probably. So we're going to get this really cleaned up. Maybe check the oil level, check a few little things. We're going to have a look and go back out and see what boost it's running. Probably turn it down a little bit. It's still set for whatever the old one was. And get this cleaned up so it's not going to be a fire hazard. We'll be back.
Wrap up today. We've Jesse did no drum, but his car's almost done with the body kit. Coop's helping him.
Don't say that too loudly. You might hear you.
Won't say it too loudly, you might hear him. At the front of Ebisu, I did do a few laps. There's some laps with Rudnick. The car was much faster without Quinton in the car. We took up next to Rudnick, and I'm like something's going on with this car, eh? I'm like, what the heck? I'm like, oh, maybe it's just Quinton. Truth for that car is, like, as soon as you add one person, it's just a totally different car. So, but anyway, he did some laps. I did some laps that he filmed from the outside, and it was a bit easier for the car. But yeah, that was a good day. So the Laurel's done. It took way more than it needed to, which is annoying, but it is what it is. We're still trying to find some suspension currently for Chris's Zafiro. So we're going down Up Garage now. That's it for today. We're done. So welcome to the day 4, we believe it is, and we're heading out to school course to give the Laurel a test. We've got basically all the bits for Chris's Seppi. And then Brenda's going to go some fuel. I'm going to go to North Course with Nathan, who has the Barra E46 back at home, but he's got a JZX 110 here. So we going to go bank some laps there for a little bit, I think. Friday morning, I bought a full day ticket. So while Nishi has a G1 GP on, we're not doing it. We're just going to have some fun laps. So that's what we'll do now. Hopefully this thing feels good, apart from the bind, which we're expecting to have, but that's the next trip sort out. So let's do it. Okay, so take a low at it's low on fuel, so we need fuel, but we need a little bit more tow out on this side. So once Brenda goes get some fuel for it, it's gonna give it a little tickle and then should drive good again. So otherwise good, but just need to sort that out. So we'll get onto that, be out there. So school course, couple laps. Now we're going to make our way to North Course. Nathan's figured out how to turn his snow traction off and all the tractions off in the 110, which he knew. He's obviously bumped it on the drive up from Osaka. So yeah, let's do it. Fun fact, but his JZX 110 he's spent less money than I have for this car, plus this car getting here. So, however, I've got the only one of them here, so I'm having a good time regardless. Let's go. Yeah, what happened, Mr. Drifter? Tires got a little warm, but oh man, we're getting attacked. Who's us? Yeah, I was leading Sean, the red JZX, and then Nathan was behind us. It was good first time for him out here, so that was some good clean laps. So yeah, we're gonna have a break. I don't want to kill my tyres super quick. I've only got another 2 of these. They're perfect for night time here on Saturday night, so I really want to save for that. So feeling good, I'm liking it. Let's go. Right, wrap up for today. It's a pretty good day actually. The rain at the end made it a bit more fun. I went to a school course, as you guys have seen. And yeah, ready for the actual Matsuri we're gonna hit. So we've got AU, the Laurel's working good. The Cephei's basically ready. He's got, I think, throw some lights on and just keep topping water up. Nathan's he's heading home. He was just popping in for 1 day. Nick's Sky, I'm pretty sure it's good. They're painting tail lights. I don't know. The boys are getting carried away. Not a lot of driving, heaps of painting. And the, yeah, I don't know, that's us on Jesse's cars. Jesse's pitted down there, so hopefully tomorrow it's not packed out. We don't think all the pits have been bought, but we'll find out. Hopefully there's some free pits, that'll be great. So yeah, that's a wrap for today. We're going on to the next day, and the actual Matsuri begins. Welcome to the channel. I've had enough.